Hello friends, welcome back to PriyankkaDadwal's YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great just like me. Before we dive into today's vlog, just have a look at few of the glimpses of the place on which this vlog is all about. So friends, after looking at the glimpses of this vlog, I'm sure you must have understood that this vlog is all about the stay experience in Little Rann of Kutch, where I visited few days back with my family. Let's dive in. Welcome to the Royal Safari Camp in Bajana, nestled in the breathtaking Little Rann of Kutch. If you're looking for a retreat that blends nature, culture and comfort, then this is the perfect place for you. As we began the check-in process, I was instantly captivated by the ambience of the sitting lounge here near the reception area. It is thoughtfully designed, featuring exquisite Kutch handicrafts, antique decor and historic photographs that beautifully narrate the legacy of Bajana state, including the portraits of its royal dignitaries. The entire resort is surrounded by greenery, making you feel like you're living in a traditional Kutch village. It's a place where nature, culture and comfort come together in perfect harmony. Join me as I take you through my incredible stay in their highest room category, the Superior Villa. Let me tell you that this Royal Safari Camp offers 25 rooms in 3 categories: Superior Villa, Deluxe Cottage Twin and Deluxe Room. Our Superior Villa was spacious, beautifully designed and inspired by the traditional Kooba houses of the Banjania community and Bhuga houses of the Rabaris of Kutch. The intricate mirror work, mud plaster walls and handcrafted embroidery gave it an authentic village charm while providing all modern amenities. Our room had an attached bathroom and there was a separate dressing area in the bathroom itself. It also had a big closet to keep your luggage there. There was also an attached balcony with the room where you can sit and relax in the nature itself. arrived at around 3 p.m. and quickly freshened up before heading to the resort's restaurant for some snacks. Later we enjoyed evening tea with some snacks like pakoras, those were mixed bhajias, near the serene lake behind the resort. Feeding the chickens, listening to the soothing sounds of birds and watching the mesmerizing views, it was such a peaceful and refreshing experience, must say. When we came back from our evening tea near the lake, we saw that there were local artisans exhibiting their artworks in the resort. One of the highlights of our stay was interacting with them, the local artisans, showcasing beautiful handcrafted jewelry right inside the resort. The collection was exquisite and the prices were reasonable for the intricate work they put in. After dinner, we spent some time by the bonfire, unwinding under the vast sky full of stars. After a hearty breakfast, we geared up for the most exciting part of our trip, the Indian Wildlife Sanctuary Safari in Bajana. Stay tuned for my upcoming video with all the details of this thrilling adventure. The safari was truly an unforgettable experience. We spotted different bird species and the endangered Indian wild ass in their natural habitat. And the sunset in the little run of Kutch? Oh, it was absolutely breathtaking. After an eventful day, we returned to the resort, relaxed for a while, enjoyed dinner and had a peaceful night's sleep. The next morning we had breakfast and checked out around 11 a.m. Our stay at the Royal Safari Camp was nothing short of incredible warm hospitality, rustic charm, and an immersive experience into the culture of Kutch. If you're planning a getaway close to the nature with a touch of heritage and adventure, this resort is a must visit. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel experiences. See you in my next video. Thanks for your love and support. It's me, PriyankkaDadwal, saying ciao for now. See you soon. Bye.